Good afternoon, Fred. Chastela from Ghana. Our colleague was already.
Oh, Chastela.
Mahama dear.
Good
afternoon, Fred. Chastela from Ghana. Our colleague was already. Mahama dear. I don't know why desperate. Even enough for the crowd that we done off and time where by said. Independent I can watch and from them. No other cancer. The Nipagan said, yes, I'm a phenomenon. So I cannot say, dear. Any pair can be a opposite if a Wayana Grimity or Pacho. But Mahama James on Pacho. And he was it do or die. We are all ready for him. So the subject, you want to go to the Malgana. In the seminar or in if you want to know. So, when we be vice president, I will be president. We here and any actually, and one in Bola Bamboa on Fere, and Utimika Shapine, would be vice president, I will be president. And no one knows all as a fine year. And the 2024.
All right, Jumadi no motion live. I was serious. So, I was trying to 2024. Or can't seminar Mahama na inim ne motifa or they can't seminar. Na what shall I say justify a man for so justify man. But Mahama, what be the kunya? The problem pa ni say catch the Ghana for. Mahama, what be the akunya? Who may be the crank a different thing? Can problem with Ghana for Ankasa? Who be the other na we ma Ghana, Mahama ye busam. A muchira man for comb until Mahama refi. And can you do my man sopa Ghana until refi? Sika die chrono boni dream die corruption. Timu refi. Mahama catch ye. Is that ya or see one of the the opinion, the walking on the waka. Hey, Mahama. All right, Mahama. Oh, the Nibra Berepa, Nasam Kitwa. Oh, what's one of the Onupa, dear, and not dear, sir. Obeshe, na, Adenako Supreme Court to cra. Asema, or they are to a granano.
The comments of the caller, I think the person called from London, who called to support those irresponsible statements of John Dramani Mahama. That is right. The gentleman made a very ridiculous argument that we should be fair to John Dramani Mahama because His Excellency the President also said all die. And therefore we should remain quiet when John Dramani Mahama is being irresponsible. Look, that is right. I don't understand his definition of fairness because he accused us of being unfair to John Dramani Mahama, those of us who have a problem with those statements. Now, if he is telling us that we should not complain if John Dramani Mahama is being irresponsible, now is he telling us that the NDC were quiet when the president said all daddy die? We were all in Ghana. When the president said all daddy die, they were up in arms, condemning him, calling him all sorts of names. So why is he expecting us to be quiet when John Dramani Mahama is being irresponsible? Come on, I think he's one of those people that Mahama is talking about who don't understand the English language. Thank you. Good evening, Daddy Fred. This is Sule from South Africa. Daddy Fred, I'm actually getting sick and tired of our party. Not because of the performance. The performance is great. But I'm getting sick and tired of our party because of their over-tolerance of the imbecility of John Dramani Mahama and his NDC. Sometimes I wonder if we are the ruling government or we are in opposition.
That's very nice
question. I cannot fathom why a sitting government would allow the opposition, members of the opposition, to be going around making irresponsible comments. And they are left free. Yes, we are practicing democracy, but this is not how democracy is practiced. John Dramani Mahama, as a political leader, if he was wise, should be able to measure his words when he speaks in public. If you listen to what he said, he did mention that those who do not understand his do or die mantra are those who drop out from school or who do not understand the English language. And I think John Dramani Mahama is rather ridiculing members of his party, the NDC, because majority of them are illiterate. A large number of NDC supporters are illiterate. And therefore, if Mahama is mocking, irresponsibly, mocking people who unfortunately could not have any education, then I think it only shows how irresponsible and insensitive John Mahama is. Shame on John Dramani Mahama and his NDC, gullible NDC supporters. Thank you, Daddy Fred. But I think our party should wake up and start dealing with this irresponsible NDC supporters. Thank you very much. And I'm still hoping that Kennedy and Japan Honorable will sue the idiot in America, Kevin Taylor. Otherwise, I'll be...
Okay, thank you very, very, very much. Yankoha.
Daddy Fred, Mahama and Semi are working. And Kwasumu, won't press up Ufa Point be as now church and say Muna what to tell him. Now maybe some Mahama say what's the police station so one mono. And what's a Bibia pepe, no more see to you say Bibia ever copy paper or one mono. Now we've been Korean last 2020 elections in real mono. Maybe some Mahama say a party bank, which party? And I know what to say opposition for no candidate, presidential candidate, every ballot papers and so. So I can't woman or more transfer power police stations. Why? Maybe Sasa Mahama party bank was it NDC and not an MPP. And young NDC for and I'm what it's an every ballot papers and so. Our police stations. Mahama. Answer this question. It won't be my castle a real police station. One month in was say, this time with the Mama Pine Cry and answer was a Bibia pepe. And the MPP before moment was here, cancer and we say, Bishop Party Bibia pepe because 2020 more trust and will be vying. It's an amateur and every ballot papers. So now, Mahama would be about number one instead of number two. Ade, Mahama, Ade. And after saying Aden, you can never defend yourself from what you've said. Say, do or die. You can never defend yourself. Mahama.
All right. That was it. Yankoha, Yankotie, a message.
Good afternoon, good morning, Daddy Fred. Something like a free speech. And say, I don't know, first, my baby. May you be must be send over that no 50 if it is number may so man I'm sure yes and no because we can be up into why the topic to me said that by Mahuse Obia Casa Catramati who be a Casa your mama. That is right. Any pay about the president not president or BGA. Starting you who so with nursing fees of Casa, nursing training allowance, teachers training allowances. Nothing, no, I didn't call opposition and Pananco. Okay. And what you know, teachers tried 3 years, 1 year, now new appointment letter. Amount say, but you have to remind yourself, so accept the appointment letter. Even accepting. Okay. I don't that you know so. Would not hold on Ghana, Yahweh, Nampana Viaka, Pinti Ghana, Mister, in your tummy, cool, as a command, IMF, set for Mundi to my own Ghana economy. The time in unemployment graduate.
All right, thank you very much. I know we are very, very grateful to you for your submission.
Hello, Daddy friend. Michiano wa tiefo nyina. Nyame shra so ye adwuma pa wo. Program no me ba be share middle until me share dan tiase papa. I can say the statement Mahama kan ana mo ka ho asem. Ghana for onye hwe bibi ye. Ye ne free so pe so ba. Yesu obi besi so anka wo hye wo ma wo sebe. Obeye bibi papa bi obesi so no. Vice President ne President no nka oba be ye bibi. Ni nyina mu no ma hu ne hwe. Mapa mo no wo sa so pe se oba. Enti no say dum so bebrebe ne niam ekọ so wo Ghana bibia ye standstill. Na se still na no mo be ma na daada mo. Na ma beto ama na mo be ma na daada mo akeka nsem bi edi na chi a. Say Samuel because already no. Pese Ghana for bi mo adwene hu say. Wo say ye wo short memory. Na say any short memory some ko no kranka no sebe. Ke ya man campaign platform bia na nko bia man platform bia kwa nyina so dada. Because kwa Ghana for who fa so chire wo no. E wo time no ne wule as president no na enye easy. Ti Ghana for the maka chem kakra ne so say mo short memory. Enti no se mo ba be gina ne nsam so na mo de akwa akoye bibia de a. Na se mo ala. Eddie Fred me da say bye.
Bye. Rosina ya da wase pa ye o say akugina na asem so na mo de akoye bibia gina waawo so. Yenko ha na yenko tie we so edie ewa ha. And I know for another time we're going to play your audio. The program is transmitted live on YouTube, the announcer newspaper, on Facebook, the announcer newspaper. The former president of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, has made a very serious comment, serious statement. Now, as a result of a statement, everybody is lambasting him of that. He said he would not retract whatever he said. But the question people are asking is that, does he care about the country's development or he cares about his own personal interest? That is what we are asking. So if you just joined me, my name is Daddy Fred. Thank you very much for joining me on the program, sharing your views as well, and sending your audios as well. Catch me another time for another splendid edition of a program. But before then, Mahama, young country will say, what the Akunya Ivy Umere Aso, Ghana mine, Nanado or Bua mine. Who opposition, you have to understand, on your president, who opposition. Opposition now, when you're number actually president, they won't yet. Ghana for us, your mom per month. Monta mobile be Namana Nado, a money mine. MPP for Monamotia by Mumma, who quite mind this for us or Mona, or Mudi Titima, or the Amonia.